In this video, we are going to make helix and we'll use sweep command, and that will take center radius option. Let's see how to use it. So first we'll go to start and we'll take wireframe surface design and OK. Here we select one plane and click on sketch icon. Here I'm taking a profile tool and we'll just make one line and we'll draw a tangent arc. Again we'll take the tangent option and we'll make a straight line. We'll make this line to be vertical in size and we'll define that to be tangent with this arc. Now I'll maintain all the dimensions. For that I'm taking 1 by 1 dimension. This I'm taking here 60. Let's take a radius of this line. I'm taking 40 radius. This to be 40 radius. And defining this line also 60. And we'll define total distance from this point. Let's take 200 distance. All will reduce to 190. Now we'll maintain this distance from this point. I'm taking here 50 distance. Accept. Now we'll go to helix command. Here we need to define start point. So we cannot take the point of this line. We need to generate a new point. We'll click. We right click and take create point. In y direction I'm taking distance at 50 and do OK. Next we have to define axis. So I'll take a perpendicular axis. So this total distance we have 190 distance. We'll take total height of 190. We'll reverse the direction and here we'll select this profile. Here we have to define that pitch. So I'm taking here 10 pitch. Preview and do OK. Now we can take the sweep command and here we'll go to center and radius. We'll define the center curve. We'll define the radius value. I'm taking here this radius to be 6 and preview and do OK. We can hide this helix and sketch and we can see our helical spiral profile is ready. So anywhere you have to prepare this helical spiral, you can use this way. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.